for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for fish. G is for grapes. H is for hat. I is for ice cream. J is for jump. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for moon. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for penguin. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. S is for sun. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yellow. Z is for zebra. Hi friends, we have many quality kids books such as board books, flashcards, picture book, rhymes book, coloring book, origami book, activity books, textbook, writing book and story book. All books are available at Tamilarasi.org. All you have to do is log in and register and order your books. Thanks for your support. If you like this video, please like, comment and share with your friends and family. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.